Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, it has been a hot minute. I'm sorry I have been MIA for so long on YouTube. If you still want to keep up with me, you can always follow my Instagram. I'm quite active there. If you follow my Instagram, then you would know that I've been MIA because I just had a baby. My baby girl is now 4 months old. Alhamdulillah, she's turning 5 months very soon. And yeah, that's the reason why I have not been able to put up much videos for the past few months. I apologize for that. Anyways, in this video, I will be showing you guys how I style my square scarves. But before I start on that, I wanted to quickly come up here and update you guys a little bit on my skincare. If you follow me on Instagram, again, you would know that I have been using this Innisfree Black Tea Youth Enhancing Treatment Essence for over 4 weeks now, I think. Okay, honestly, so far I have not seen significant changes, but I do enjoy using it, I have to say. Gonna show you guys so you can compare my before and after using this product. I love that it absorbs quickly and it's so easy to apply. It's actually fragrance free, but it has a calming black tea scent. If you don't already know, black tea is high in antioxidants and it has anti-aging benefits as well. After my pregnancy, my skin has generally been quite smooth. So I think that's one of the reasons why I can hardly tell the difference as of now. But you have to know that this product helps to promote the skin cell turnover to reveal a smooth and a radiant complexion. I use it every day after cleansing my face. My skincare routine lately has been very basic. So for the past few weeks, it has always been just cleanser, essence, and then moisturizer, and that's it. I have to say, I was asked that is that enough, just a 3-step skincare routine. Surprisingly, it is actually enough for me, at least for my skin. I think one of the reasons is that this treatment essence actually helps to increase skin's moisture by 593%. That's insane. So far so good. My skin doesn't feel dry. I also don't experience any new breakouts or other skin troubles as of right now, alhamdulillah, even with my super simple skincare regime. Plus, this product is fragrance free and alcohol free. I often use it after taking wudu. It really helps to restore moisture onto my skin after I have washed it. It's so easy to use, you guys. I don't even use a cotton pad to use this. All I do is just pour about 3 to 4 drops and then tap it all over my face. The watery texture makes it so easily absorbed into my skin, so I really love that about this. So if you ask me, I will still continue to use this essence and see how it goes in the long run. That's all on the skincare front. Now, not gonna waste any more time. Let's go straight to the hijab tutorial. Okay, first of all, you need a square scarf and just half it into a triangle. Fold it corner to corner and you get a triangle, and then put it over your head, right in the middle. Here, you want to adjust it so that it will be nice and like curved, and make sure your eyebrows are exposed like that. And then you want to fold it here near your eyes, and down here. Alright, now take this side and just bring it over around your neck. Okay, so now it'll be like this. All you have to do is just bring out the back of the scarf like that. So now it becomes like this. You have one part that is long, one part that is super short. So you bring this part over the short part, take a nice fancy brooch and pin it. You will want to pin 3 layers, which is your shirt, the short side, and the long side that we've pulled to the right side here. All you have to do is just adjust it a little bit, make it a little bit more neat to your liking, and looks like this. Ta-da! Simple, right? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Another style that you can do is this side. Bring it close to your neck and all the way to the other side. Leave it there for a while. Now this one, if you want to make it neat, you can gather it and the other side. Now take this side with that side and just tie it, and then pull this one out. Okay. So you can adjust it to make it neat. This is also super easy yet a very neat way to style your hijab. Okay. Alright, that's it. I hope this has been helpful for you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on my next video, inshallah. Bye!